Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So because this is my two aircraft models, diecast, I buy two in KK Gaya Street in Kota Kinabalu City. I buy to the 56 ringgit. I to diecast my is aircraft models. This is not aircraft model Airbus A380. This is not Airbus A380. This is another aircraft models. This is Branson W. Okay, one by one I open this. Okay, so just because Thai Airways Boeing 777-200 ER in the country and Thailand. Okay. So okay. This is Thai Airways B777-200 so this is the flight in the Thailand. This is in the beautiful this. So here see this is in the Star Airlines. So this is not one way is KTM. So where's the flight number car? Okay. Okay, so next last one, Emirates in United Arab Emirates. This is Airbus A340 400 300 and 100. Okay, so this is my movie. Okay. Okay, this is Emirates. Is the Emirates Airbus A340. This is a flight in the A6 ERT, a flight in the number car. So this is Airbus A340. See, this is of the detail. So in the flight in Dubai to Kuala Lumpur and Bangkok, and go to into the world. One world is this is Thai Airways. This in the Thailand from Bangkok to Kuala Lumpur and Paris, UK, Germany. Okay. So to my diecast. Unboxing Emirates Airbus A340 and Thai Airways Boeing B747-200 So this is one word. This is All Star Airlines. So I make it in my video. This is and the wins this and this. So you okay. Okay, okay, don't like and comment and subscribe my channel in the YouTube. So with this okay lah, see you this, bye.